guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how you can create a very successful commercial using 3D application. We will be using Adobe Dimension CC. So guys, let's start. First of all, I have opened my Adobe Dimension CC and using horizon tool, I will adjust my horizon line just like this. Nothing is too complicated. Perfect. Now I will switch to default Adobe Dimension models library and I will click on this very beautiful bottle model. Using select and move tool, I will bring it up, and using select and scale, select and rotate tool, I will rotate it just like that, maybe something like this. Yes. Using select and move tool, I will bring it up, and now I will switch to select and scale tool and I will resize my bottle just like that. Now guys, I will switch to default Dimension CC materials library and I will apply material to my bottle. In scenes panel, I will highlight my lead tab and I will apply another material to my lead. Same with bottles safety ring. I will highlight my safety ring tab and I will apply another material to my safety ring. Now guys, I will highlight my bottle tab. I will expand it and I will change the color for my bottle material just like this. Also, I will adjust my material. I will apply more metallic effect to it just like that. I will switch to default images library, and here we have very beautiful graphics we can add to our design. I will use Earth graphic. I will click on it and voila, I will rotate a little bit, change the angle, and also I will change roughness and I will apply metallic effect to this graphic just like this. Beautiful. I will be back to my scene panel. I will highlight my entire bottle tab. I will switch to my default models library, and here we have very beautiful splash model. I will click on it just like that. Using select and move tool, I will bring it up just like that, and maybe I will move it. And using select and rotate tool, I will rotate it slightly, just like that, and I'm super happy. I will switch to default materials library, and here we have water material. I will click on it, and voila, guys. What I will do right now, I will switch back to scene panel. I will highlight my environment tab. I will switch to default dimension images library, and here we have very beautiful image we can use as our background. I will click on it and voila, I will increase intensity on environment light just in case if I will use this light. But guys, we also have very beautiful lights default library. Here I have a very beautiful spring light I would like to add into my design. I will click on this forest light and voila, I will increase intensity and I can change rotation. Let's preview just like that. Voila, guys, look at this. Perfect. After you will say, yeah, I'm happy with everything, I'm happy with design, with material and everything, time to render your image, your document. Click on a render tab, specify a name for your rendering, specify name. I will change name of my rendering to tutorial. I will change quality to high, and also I will specify that I would like to have my rendering in PSD file, and I will click render and voila, we are done. Dimension will finish rendering for us. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. If you have some time and if you want to dig deeper into this topic, stay with me. So I will cancel our rendering. I will switch back to design and I will start everything again. File, new, No, I don't want to save this file because now I will create exact same file document again. And now using horizon tool, I will adjust my horizon. I will bring horizon line down and I will change angle of my camera, of my horizon, just like that. I will bring it down. We can change anything later on at any time. Now guys, what I will do, I will switch to default dimension library. Guys, all models, materials, lights, and images are free for you. They are default dimension library. I will click on this beautiful bottle, just like that. And voila. Using select and move tool, I will bring my bottle up. I will switch to select and scale tool, and I will click and hold shift key, and I will resize it just like that. Now guys, I will switch back to select and move tool, and I will bring my bottle slightly down. I will switch to select and scale rotate tool, and I will rotate my bottle in any way I want. Let's try another angle at this time. Just no, this one. Yes, I like it a lot. And using select and move tool, I will bring it slightly up, just like that. Perfect. Maybe I will change just slightly rotation. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it. Now guys, time to customize our bottle. Time to apply custom touches to our bottle. What I will do, I will switch to default materials library, and here we have many absolutely beautiful materials we can use, we can work with. I will click on this material just like that, and voila. But I would like to apply different materials to different parts of this bottle. In my scene panel, I will click and highlight my lead tab, and as you can see, dimension highlighted lead for us. I will apply gold material to my lead. Definitely I can adjust a material, but I'm happy with this material as it is. I will be back to scene panel. I will click on safety ring, and I will apply another material to my safety ring, just like that. I will be back to my scene panel, and I would like to change color of my bottle material. Guys, I would like to create something bright, something green, because it's March and it's beautiful and it's almost warm outside. So let's create something very bright and very beautiful. So I will highlight my bottle tab just like that. I will expand it, and here in my properties panel, I will click on base color. I will click on color tab, and I will change a bottle's color to the green, just like that. Bright green color. How beautiful is it? Definitely I can modify my material. I will add metallic effect to my material, and I will not touch glow slider because I don't want to apply any glow effect to my material at this time. So this is my bottle material. I will be back to my scene. And guys, now we can add a logo, any text, any graphics to our bottle. You can create graphics using Illustrator or Photoshop, but to save our time, because today it's a tutorial is not about how you can create and apply graphics to your 3D design. So today I will be using default graphics from images library. Just like that. Here we have our graphic. I will click and add it to my design, just like that. I will rotate this graphics. You can scale it down, scale it up. It's up to you. And I would like to modify this graphic. What I will do, I will increase roughness just like that, and I will increase metallic just like this. Guys, look at this. Love, love, love. I will switch back to my scene panel. I will highlight my square bottle top just like that, and I will switch back to models library. I will scroll my library down, and here we have default splash model. I will click on it just like this. I will switch to select and move tool, and I will bring it up just like that. Maybe something like that. Yes, just like this, and I love it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Using select and rotate tool, we can rotate our splash just like that. Look at this, guys. We have movement right now. It's very, very beautiful. I will switch to materials library, and here we have water material. I will click on it, and voila. Let's preview. Look at this, guys. How beautiful is it, and how easy to create this beautiful design in Adobe Dimension CC. So, time to apply background to our document. I will be back to my scene panel. I will highlight environment tab, and I will switch to default images library. Here, guys, we have very beautiful green gradient image. I will click on it, and voila, guys, we have very beautiful background. And again, guys, you can create background using Illustrator or Photoshop, or you can use your own image. You can take image using your professional cameras or using your mobile device. Everything is up to you. But to save our time today, we will use default dimension library, default image from default images library. And this image is so beautiful. So we are happy with design, we're happy with colors, we're happy with everything. Time to apply a light, the light to our document. I will switch to default lights library, and here, guys, we have forest light because we are trying to create something very springy. It's spring outside. We're trying to create healthy commercial, so we will use forest light. I will click on forest light, and voila. But the problem is it's a little bit dark to my taste. We can adjust it. First of all, I will increase intensity just like that, and I can change rotation of my light. Look at this, guys. How beautiful is it? But we are not done yet. Here, guys, we have very magical feature. We have sunlight feature. I will enable it just like that, and I can adjust my sunlight. I can increase intensity just like that, slightly, guys. I can increase or decrease height of my sunlight just like that, and I can change rotation just like that. Let's preview. Guys, how beautiful is it? I love Dimension CC. Beautiful and easy to create, easy to make something very beautiful and unique and 3D. So I will be back to my design workspace, and after we are happy with everything, we are happy with design, with colors, with everything, time to render our document. I will switch to render workspace, and here, guys, we need to apply few steps. First step is we need to rename our document. I will rename again to tutorial, just like that. I will specify quality to high, because definitely I would like to have my rendering in high quality. If you are not sure about how you will like your design, I will recommend you to start to try your first rendering in a low quality, just because if you want to preview your document and you're not sure about design or anything like that, I recommend you to use a low quality. But if you are happy with everything, I recommend you to use a high quality rendering. Also, guys, also very important, specify export format to PSD, because if you would like to continue working on your project in Adobe Photoshop CC, you have all layers available for you. So after you will specify everything, time to click render. Yes, and voila, guys. Dimension CC needs just few seconds to analyze your document, and Dimension CC will start rendering for you. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Thank you for being with me, super appreciated, and I will see you later. Bye.